Ano boy? So, good evening everyone. Ako day gyapon si Mark Casco. So, atong topic karon is about user defined function methods. User defined function methods or UDFS, and the methods are blocks of codes that can be created and used within a program to perform a specific task. They allow for a code usability and organization, making programs more modular and easier to maintain. Here comes a more detailed breakdown. User-defined functions. Purpose. So, purpose niya, a custom function defined by a user or programmer allowing for the creation of reusable code modules. The scope can be defined as a persistent reusable across multiple sequences or temporary existing only within a single query scope. So, muna the example about user-defined function methods. So, number one, Python. So, diff grid. So, una, kailangan, siyempre, di ka mawa. Una, mo ang purpose diff. So, diff na, then, so it's a grade. Open na, to city, close. So, enter. So, mura gyapon na siya parehas gyapon. Dili gid nimo malimtaan dapat ang print tas ang mga kuan niya symbol. So, open if print greetings from city. So, mga sample. So, ang kanang sa ubos pag kuan man na enter kabalo na garo mo ana pangalan ng comment na siya. Anang call the function with a C. So, comment siya. So, proceed ka. Great. Open parenthesis as C. So, ang function niya, for defining the values depending on a programming language or system, for the example of by a query or the created user or create function statement in queuable order defined using function ID paragraph types can be scalar returning a single value. So example might be used to encapsulate a complex combination that's used in multiple queries. So purpose ano niya, methods are similar to function but are typically defined within a classic and object-oriented programming language. So like Java, ito sa Java. So Java, siyempre, public main. Siyempre, kabalo mo ng public main. Wala na ako nakuha under outro. So comment, public main, seed. So comment, user-defined method. Public static void. Para gyapon dito, breed gyapon. Public static void breed. Breed string, siyempre string city. Proceed system dot out dot print in. Siyempre Java, di ka na mawala. Close open parenthesis, greetings from city. So, proceed ta. Ang difference niya is our general more global is a while of methods are associated with a specific class or object are often used in database context while the methods are typically used in object-oriented programming. So UDFS and the methods allow to the creations of reusable code modules, reducing redundancy of improving code organization. So another example. So another example, the code that define the function or methods, including its name, parameters, so the code it executes. So, more ang nasabdan. Salamat kayo sa tanan. Yes.